My name is Gwamaka Kifukwe. I'm from the United Republic of Tanzania, as most of you probably know very well by now. Um, what this program has done for me, and I'm very thankful for that, is that it hasn't so much changed but reinforced my belief in leadership. And I think even though we came here to discuss regional integration and some of the challenges, the one theme that has kept the whole thing going has been the importance of leadership. And this is at a time when leadership in Africa, quite frankly, is not where it should be. Whether we talk political leadership, whether we talk within families, whether we talk at the individual level. What I've learned here at this course has been we shouldn't forget why we're all here, and that leadership is actually probably Africa's greatest challenge. Because without that, everything else collapses, whether it's good governance or education or health or whatever. So I really want to thank the people who put together the program and also all the participants here for keeping that theme going throughout. Me personally, I am very uncomfortable with being labeled a leader. I do my job, I do what I think is right, and if everyone else thinks that makes me a leader, then so be it. And I think this is something me and my coach are going to be working on quite a bit. But, you know, there you go. But I think from the outset, the fact that the process of coming here was about nomination said a lot to me, that people believe in the same things I believe in, and it was okay to have those beliefs. And if I haven't made them clear, for me, it's very simple. I like simple things. I live a very complex life, but so be it. And that is that I suppose my purpose is, or my dedication is, the welfare and well-being of all Africans, period. And it's incredibly simple, but it's something that when you actually try to make it practical is very difficult. And I think what this course has done is help me to try to convert other people to the cause, but also has helped me to realize that even though it is simple and a lot of its simplicity gives it power, that there's still a long way to go in every other arena. And the one thing that can sort of thread you through is that leadership component. Again, on a personal level, and what I was really looking for when coming here was to find peers, to find other people who were young like me, who were in the early stages of their career, who for some reason or another are successful, and for another bunch of reasons people think have this potential to lead. And talk about these things and say, is this okay? Should I be here? You know, what right do I have to lead? Am I a leader? And these kinds of questions which, you know, on a Friday night, no one really wants to talk about. You know, you finish your shift at work, you want to move on from all this stuff, and yet those of us in the room, I think, struggle with this. We struggle with the recognition that other people consider us leaders. And it doesn't matter at that point whether or not you consider yourself a leader, it is what you have become. And so I look forward to building the skills that will enable me to be the leader other people want me to be, and then if the coaching works out, once I realize that I am a leader, if it ever happens, that I am the best leader that I can be for what I want to achieve. So I want to thank you all for that.